In this tutorial, I want to show you how we can keep the leading zeros before the number. Suppose I write this number 0001, then I press enter. Now you see 0 is left out. But what I want to keep all zeros and the numbers together. Now what I'm gonna do? First of all, what you have to do, treat that Excel cell as a text, not as a number. It is because by default Excel treats, if you put the number, then the cell is treated as a number. But if you treat Excel cell as a text, so whatever you put the number by leading zeros, the zeros will still be there. Suppose I want with the first method. The first method, what you're gonna do, you have to pre-format the cell. Pre-format the cell. How you can do? Maybe you want to put your zeros and numbers here. Just click it here, then go to numbers. You can use here, or you can use this one in general. Come to this general, then come to text. This one text. Then from there, if you write 0001 and you press it enter, all zeros remain. This is the first method. The second method, you have to pre-write the single apostrophe. Example here, I start with a single apostrophe there, then I write 0001, then I press enter. You see, 0 are still there. But when you click it, there is an exclamation sign here. If you click this sign, it tells you that convert this to numbers. If you convert to numbers, it means all zeros will be left out. So no, you have to ignore it. Ignore the error. If you ignore the error, then an inverted single commas is already not there. But if you come here to the formula, then you see it is there. But if you write it here, it is not there. This is the second option that you're gonna do. But all these options is not enough for you. The best option that you can do is to use, so that when you want to make such kind of an analysis, the cell will be treated as numbers. Because if you want to make analysis, if you want to make sorting, if you sort, the numbers from that cell will never change and will never taken from another cell, because you have treated it as a text, not as numbers. So in order to treat it as numbers and you keep zeros, see the option below. Let me start afresh. Let's take all this away, and then from there, let's start it here. Suppose you write it 0001. Click it here, then come again here. From here now, you come here to numbers, or you can go to general. But if you come here to numbers, this is Microsoft Office 2019. Then go to custom. From custom, you see a lot of options on how you can do. Now click 0 here. After clicking 0, then you put the cursor here, then write the amount of 0 that you want to appear in your numbers. Maybe you have a list of 1,000 people, so that you want maybe how many zeros? 3 zeros. So you just like 0, another 0, another 0. Then from there, just click OK. Then already you see here 0, 0, 0. From here now you can continue doing the same thing. But suppose now you want to write maybe 100,000 of people. Will you be going on changing every cell? No. What you can do, there is an option what we call automatic series of numbers. Automatic series of numbers. This automatic series of numbers, you do just this way. Maybe you want to write it. You want to write the series of numbers, maybe from 1 to whatever. It can be 1000, it can be 500, it can be 150, it can be 100, whatever you like. What you can do, just click this one. After clicking this one, then go to the home tab. Already in the home tab, then come here to editing, section of editing, go to autofill. This is fill. When you click this fill, then you come to series. How many series we want to, you can add it by rows or you can add by column. Suppose you want to write 1 up to 50 numbers, then you put here column. It should be linear. You start from 1 and you end up with maybe 150. Then click OK. Have you seen these numbers? Have you seen these numbers? It is from 1 up to 150,000. So whatever the amount of numbers you want to write, Excel will help you do anything you like. So don't keep only typing 1, 2, 3. No, use this video as an advantage for you to do any particular activities that you want to do. Okay, thank you for listening to this one. I think it is helpful for you, and it will help you on a lot of things you are going to do, because this is very useful, especially for those people who are dealing with Excels, SPSS, and other programs regarding data. Okay, see you the next. But if you think this video is helpful for you, try to subscribe in the button below, and this will help you even to be notified when a new video is coming, so that you can study it. Thank you, and see you in the next section.